It kills me inside. This was what Shamima Begum, who left the UK for Syria as a teenager to join ISIS, says about it now. She says she regrets joining the Islamic State group for the rest of her life and has even offered to help the UK fight terrorism. I could be useful to society and it would be a waste to let me rot in a Syrian camp, she told BBC recently. The 22-year-old hailing from UK is accused of playing an active role in ISIS, but she has denied that. Shamima Begum was 15 when she and two other East London school girls travelled to Syria to join Islamic State in Iraq and Syria, or ISIS in short. There she married a Dutch recruit and lived under ISIS rule for more than 3 years. In 2019, she was found 9 months pregnant in a Syrian refugee camp. Her baby later succumbed to pneumonia. According to Ms. Begum, she had lost 2 other children previously also. The then Home Secretary Sajid Javid stripped Ms. Begum of her UK citizenship, citing national security. Ms. Begum had previously said the 2017 Manchester Arena bombing, in which 22 people, some of them children, were killed in a bombing claimed by ISIS, was similar to military strikes on ISIS strongholds. She had even called the terror attack retaliation. In an interview to BBC reporter Josh Baker, she said the thought that she was part of a group that committed genocide and murder around the world made her sick. It makes me sick to my stomach, really. It makes me hate myself. In the interview for BBC Sounds and BBC 5 Live, Ms. Begum also said she only now felt comfortable talking about her true feelings. When asked whether she had changed her opinion on ISIS because it had not created a caliphate, she replied, "I have had these opinions for a very long time, but only now I feel comfortable to express my real opinion." She said if allowed to return to the UK, she could advise on the tactics used by ISIS to lure people to Syria and could share ways to speak to people who are at risk of being radicalized. "I feel I am obliged to do so. I don't want any other young girl to destroy their lives like I had," she said. On Wednesday, Ms. Begum spoke to ITV's Good Morning Britain and made a direct offer to Boris Johnson that she could become an asset in the fight against terrorism. Speaking from a Syrian refugee camp, she said there was no evidence to prove that she was a key player in terrorist acts and she was prepared to prove her innocence in court. "I know there are some people, no matter what I say or what I do, they will not believe that I have changed, believe that I want to help. But for those who have even a drop of mercy and compassion and empathy in their hearts, I tell you from the bottom of my heart that I regret every decision I have made since I stepped into Syria, and I will live with that regret for the rest of my life. No one can hate me more than I hate myself for what I have done, and all I can say is I am sorry and just give me a second chance." She said she would rather die than go back to ISIS and added, "The only crime I committed was being dumb enough to join ISIS." Ms. Begum says she wants a trial. But Sajid Javid, now Health Secretary, said there was no chance that Ms. Begum would be allowed to return and fight her citizenship case. One of the other girls who travelled with Ms. Begum, Khadija Sultana, was killed in a bombing raid, but the fate of the third, Amira Abbas, is not known, according to reports. Meanwhile, according to an earlier account of Ms. Begum, her husband had been held in a prison where men were tortured and had surrendered to a group of Syrian fighters. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.